Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can change your language on Fiverr. Maybe you want to change the language on Fiverr to your preferred language, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change your language on your Fiverr application. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. The home icon button, the message icon, search icon, list icon, and lastly your profile icon. In this tutorial, you need to tap on this profile icon. And then in here, to change your language in your Fiverr, simply tap on this preferences under the settings. And then in here, you have the notification, security, language, and currency. In here, choose the language. And as you can see in here, you have few language that you can change. You have here the language for German, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Dutch, and also the Italian. For example, you want to change it to Espanol, simply tap on this Espanol. As you can see, applying the language settings. And now, as you can see, it's on the Espanol language. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change the language on Fiverr on your preferred language, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change language on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.